Good afternoon. This is Abhishek Tiwari from BTech first year section B, and I am here to present my additional assignment on helium and neon laser construction working and its application. So let's proceed. Helium and neon laser construction working and its application. So firstly we talk about what is helium and neon laser is consist of and what type is this. Helium and neon laser is a type of gas laser in which a gain medium where we use mixture of helium and neon gases. So it is a four-layer or label also known as the helium neon laser. Its construction. The helium neon laser is a narrow discharge tube where it is consists of three layers. These are first one is pump source. Second one is gain medium, and third one is resonating cavity. Now we will talk about them step by step. First one, in pump source there is high voltage power supply. And in gain medium, laser glass tube or discharge tube. Or we can also say it is discharge tube. Gain medium. Let's talk about it. Gain medium. Gain medium, the ratio of helium and neon gas is 10:1. Here the pressure of helium is 1 MBA and other one neon is 0.1. Now let's talk about pump source. Here the power supply of high voltage is 2 to 4 kV. For the working as a pumping source. For what kind of pumping? To pump the electrons. Along with high voltage, there is we can talk about the current, that how much current is flowing, that is 3 to 20 milliampere. So now talk about its working. When the current flows through the gas, means the mixture of helium and neon gas, when the current flows, its energetic electrons transfer some of the energy to the helium here. Then the helium electrons get excited from the ground state and jump to the excited state here. As a result, after its jumping to the excited state, what the result we get, we just talk about it. As a result, after that helium atoms, means after their transmission to the excited state here, helium atoms transfer their energy to the neon atoms. Helium atoms transfer their energy energy to the neon atoms, which are at the here at the ground state. So what is the its consequences? Let's see. Okay. How can the helium atom transfer the energy from excited state to the neon atoms, which are at the here ground state? Here, which are at the ground state, and excite them to the metastable state. Here metastable state, where the electrons get rested for 2 to 3 seconds. Helium atoms uh, helium atoms come down to the ground state after they are stable at the metastable state for their 2 seconds to 3 seconds. Here, when they come down, uh, the radiations we get, or the light of wavelength, which is of 630 to 8 nanometer, it is the main working of laser. And after their rapid coming to the ground state, it is rapid decay, means here they come down in the rapid way. This process is repeated continuously. That's why we call it resonance energy transfer mode. Energy transfer mode. Why we call it? Because it is repeated simultaneously. So therefore it's all about the working of the helium neon laser. First of all, it excited from here, when the current passes here to here, where the energy level 20.61 electron volt from their metastable state, and its rest for here 2 seconds to 3 seconds. After their retention to the ground state, the laser we get 362.8 nanometer, and here they finally excited the neon atoms. This is all about the working of the helium neon laser. Now let's talk about its applications. First one is, these lasers are used in industries, instruments, scientific instruments. Secondly, industries. And third one is laboratories. In addition, we can talk about their advantages and disadvantages. Means the advantage of helium neon laser and its disadvantage. Its advantages: helium neon laser emits laser light in the visible portion of the spectrum. Means the very good consequence of helium neon laser is that it transmits light in the visible spectrum. It's a very good its advantage. Secondly, low cost manufacturing. And it's about disadvantages: it has low efficiency and low gain. It has low efficiency Helium neon lasers are limited to power task, low power task. So that's all about helium neon laser, its construction, working, and its applications. Thank you.